Anthropic's experimental Claude Fable 5 model is incredibly capable, but it comes with a hard expiration date. On July 12th, public access shuts down completely. We need to capitalize on this short window. This dashboard shows our ultimate goal. By the end of this process, you will have built a fully deployed, localized agent OS that runs your daily workflows permanently. To start building this, look at the default project directory in your VS Code interface. This is the local software environment we need configured before we even open the browser. Locking in the core code now gives you an offline, self-sufficient system. Even after Fable 5 goes dark, your workflows will continue executing every single day. Start by opening your Claude dashboard and clicking the Model dropdown. You need to physically select the Fable 5 option and verify the expiration text displays next to it. Because this is an experimental tier, you are constrained to using a maximum of 50% of your weekly token allowance on Fable 5. We have to be efficient. To maximize that token limit, open a blank document and write down an automation backlog. List the tasks that take up the most of your manual clicking and typing each day. As you can see in this document, we are breaking those broad tasks into strict sequential steps. For example, find leads, then check the domain, then write the email. Completing this manual mapping first is mandatory. If you skip this and ask the AI to simply automate your business, it will generate generic code that fails to execute. When you write your prompt, paste in your backlog and explicitly include the words step by step. Ask it to build single-step tools, not a massive software suite. This table shows the exact output of a successfully narrowed tool. It pulls specific clicks, impressions, and click-through rates for an SEO keyword analysis module. Similarly, this view displays the targeted output for an outreach module, giving us precise toggle switches for syncing Gmail and Outlook accounts. To lock in this logic, append the phrase "Create Implementation Plan" to your prompt. The AI will output a formatted markdown block like this, which you must copy and save. Securing this logical blueprint from Fable 5 means the heavy lifting is done. You can feed this exact map to cheaper, standard models later to generate the actual code without hitting your premium limits. As you start building, the most common point of failure is running out of context tokens mid-generation. Fable 5 is powerful, but its memory is expensive. To mitigate this, look at the Model Settings menu. We dial the effort level down to 3, or low, whenever we are asking the AI to generate basic interface layouts. Observe this file structure. Uploading the entire mega project root folder, highlighted here in red, forces the AI to read thousands of irrelevant lines, draining your allowance. Instead, focus on the green section. Supply only the specific modular backend files required, like API-connector.ts. For larger text blocks, this tool, called Headroom, is invaluable. It compresses raw source material without losing logical context, showing a 45% reduction in token count right here. Finally, if you are using developer extensions, install Ponytail. This configuration file lets you set restrict read paths to true, physically blocking the AI from scanning unnecessary directories. By lowering the effort dial, filtering your uploads, and compressing text, you preserve enough memory bandwidth to complete the entire OS build uninterrupted. With the code generated, it's time to bring it offline. Open your terminal and type this exact string, npm install @agentos/cli-g, to connect your local environment. Locate the compiled zip file the AI generated for you. Right-click and hit Extract All. Then move those contents into your newly created root folder. Now we stress test the system. We launch your Agent OS, forcing it to run all your daily workflows simultaneously at high speeds. Keep your eyes on the terminal output. You are looking for any break in the green success logs, like this red syntax error on line 42. When you hit an error, copy that exact terminal output and paste it straight back into your Fable 5 chat. The model will diagnose its own mistake and provide the corrected code. You must cycle through these errors now. Resolving architectural bugs while you have access to this premium model ensures the system runs independently after it expires. The scripts are clean, and the stress tests are passing. Your environment is fully localized. This dashboard confirms your automations are active. The green network status checks and the real-time resource utilization graphs prove your workflows are now executing on their own. Before you do anything else, make a complete clean backup of your root OS folder. Store it somewhere safe so you never lose this functional baseline. Fable 5 will disappear on July 12th, but by extracting its logic and compiling it locally today, you've built a permanent asset that will keep returning manual labor hours to you day after day.